Bomb. Morning, Bomb. Bomb.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. What are you doing? Why can't I see you?
Yes.
Why can't I see you? What are you doing?
Wait a minute. I turn on the camera.
Are you
Okay.
there?
Can you see me now?
Yes, I can see you clearly. Okay, so what did you do in the morning?
Morning, I watch and then I eat.
And I can see that the TV is still turned on. Is someone watching it? Is B watching it?
Hmm?
Who's watching TV right now? I can see it's
B.
on. Oh, it's B. B is with you. Okay. Did you eat your breakfast, Mom?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. What did you eat? Noodles?
Yes, I eat noodles.
Okay, that's good. So now I will share my screen so we can start answering your homework. Okay, so it's this one. Can wait, still loading. Okay, can you see it clearly, Bomb? Is it
Um,
clear or not?
I think
Okay,
it
let,
is not clear.
wait, not clear. Okay, let me download it. Okay, can you see it clearly now?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Now, can you tell me your answer for the first one?
Okay. Yes. Wait a minute.
Okay, I believe you answered this one last night.
This one? Oh, today I do it. It's not last night.
Oh, okay, that's good. Did someone help you in answering this or no one?
Like my mom doesn't. I just stay home with me and my mom go to work. So I.
Ah, okay. So you did it alone. Right? Okay. So can you tell me your answer for the first one? When?
Okay. When did it start raining?
Okay. So your answer is D. Okay, which is correct, Bomb. Okay, so now what about for the second one?
C.
Mm-hmm. What kind of music do you like? Okay, yes, very good. Now what about next one?
A.
Okay, very good. Okay, for the next one. Oh, welcome, Jack.
A.
Okay, please to meet you. Okay, yes, that is right. Okay, so you would say pleased to meet you, especially if you've seen someone after not meeting them for a long time. Okay, next one now.
How D.
It's
D.
D.
No, A.
What's your final answer? Is
Okay.
it D or A?
E. Huh?
What is your final answer? Is it D or A? What? See, in here we are
B.
in a
B.
shop.
B.
B.
Yes.
Okay, yes, that is right. So, of course, the customer said, "Excuse me," and the shop assistant replied, "Yes, can I help you?" Okay, so that is correct. Okay, next one now.
B. on the TV.
Maybe. What is he watching, Bob? What is he watching?
Watching super robots.
Oh, okay. So, what about for this one? What do you think is the answer? Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Is it a thing?
No, not at all.
Okay, not at all. Okay, so do you know what it means when we say not at all?
Means not at all. It means like we doesn't. We. I don't know.
Okay, so not at all, Bomb. It's just the same as saying you're welcome. Okay, so it is a polite way of responding to someone saying thank you. Okay, not at all. Now, what about for this?
What so? Mobile phone, television, and radio. What that means? Just metal.
What is it? They
Metal.
are means what letter?
C.
C? Media?
Huh?
Media? Media, Bomb?
Yes.
Okay. Well, media refers to communication channels, Bomb. But in here, we're talking about the communication like mobile phones,
Hey,
televisions, and radios.
hey.
Okay, yes. So it's they are means of communication. Okay, so it helps people in sharing information. So that is why it's a. Now, next one, Roman.
Improve.
Improve. What does it mean when we say improve?
It means like we show.
We show? To show
Show
and to
some.
improve are different. When we say Mom, when we say improve, it means you make something better. Okay? You make something better that is improved. And in here, Romance Black, a unique system of the Roman alphabet. So what do you think is the answer? When we say exchange, it means traded. When we say persuaded, it means you convince someone to believe you or what you're saying is true. And when we say develop, it means you created or you gradually improve something over time.
Okay.
So what do you think is the answer here?
I say the answer here is
What are you drawing, Bob? Robot? Is that
C.
a robot that you are watching? Okay, it is B. Developed, not improved. Okay, because when we say improved, it means you will make something better, right? But not necessarily created, Bomb. However, in here, develop means that you created something and gradually improve something over time. Okay, so it is B. Now, next one. Wait, let me erase my drawing. Okay, so next one, Bomb. Nowadays, media has a huge influence on the.
And
What's your answer?
C.
C?
C.
D, Greek? Do you know Greek, Bomb? It refers to specific group of people. Do you think the media has a huge influence only um to Greeks?
C.
When we say printing press, Bomb, it is incorrect because a printing press is not even connected to this sentence. Wait, let me show you what a printing press is. Let
C.
me translate it. I'll translate it for you.
C.
You are guessing, Bomb. You are guessing.
B. B.
Mày
B.
in,
B. 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 B.
mày in,
B.
Okay, my in. That is printing
Again,
press.
press.
mày in,
Okay, so it's like a keyboard, Bomb. Okay, now,
B.
so it is society. Why does it seem like you are guessing? You are guessing.
Nope.
Nope, you're not. Okay, so the correct answer is B. It is the society. Okay, it affects how people think, how they behave. Okay, so it has a huge influence on the society, Bomb. Now, what about four? Okay, second to the last. We send blank through the internet.
We sent letter through internet.
Is
No.
it letter?
Sent an email through the internet.
Yes, it is an email because when we say a letter, Bomb, we sent it in a post, right? In a post. Now, Romans, Greek, and Egyptians are all blank nations. Are all what? Ancient, old, dated, or modern?
Oh,
Old? Hmm? Okay, so when we say old, Bomb,
what the name? I don't know this one.
which one?
Nation. What the
You don't
the
know,
last
Nathan?
word. The last word.
Okay. So when we say nation, Bomb, it is a large group of people who share common culture, history, language, and ethnic bonds.
It
That
is
is
a
nation.
motto. No, it's not a motto.
Wait, let me translate it for you.
quốc
I,
gia,
I.
Okay,
It's
yes, it
I.
is A. It is A. Yes, it is ancient. Okay, so it refers to the civilization that existed a very long time ago. Because when we say old, it is used for age, Bomb, but not actually for historical civilization. Okay, so that is it. So now let me go back in here and we'll start now with your book. Okay, we'll have a quick review first. Can you tell me again what it means when we say educational?
Okay.
Educational. We have talked about this one yesterday. So can you still remember educational?
Finish this one. We finish.
Yes, we're done. That's why I'm asking you again to make sure that you know the meaning of this word. What does it mean when we say educational?
Occasional. It means like we has like we build
Mm,
something.
we build something?
I don't know.
Oh, see, that is why we need to review. Okay, so again, when we say educational, it is providing you knowledge or learning, just like educational videos. You learn something new. You learn how to do something. Okay, educational. It is teaching you, Bomb. Now, what about moving? Moving.
Moving. Moving?
Yes, moving. The first
Means
word.
like movie.
No, moving and movie are not the same.
We are watching, and then there's a man. He cried because there's a car accident.
Okay. So when we say moving, it means it
Like
is
there's a
making.
film.
Yes. When you see a film and how the characters feel, you feel the same way too. Okay. So if they're sad, you feel sad. Um if they were being oppressed, then you will be mad at the enemy. Okay, that is moving. Okay, now what about romantic?
What it means? I don't remember too.
Oh, okay. Remember, when we're talking about romantic or romance, it's all about love. Okay, it's all about relationship. Okay,
Sorry.
let me translate it for you, Bomb. I hope you will remember these words, Bomb. Okay,
lãng mạn,
romance. Okay, that is romantic. Now, what about hilarious?
Huh?
Hilarious. One.
Mm, like there's a teacher. Teacher.
Hilarious. Yes.
A teacher.
A teacher went to hilarious. Bomb. A teacher is a person. Hilarious is an adjective. Bomb. It's a describing word. Okay, when we say hilarious, it means something is very funny. It's very funny, like watching comedy. It's hilarious. It's extremely funny. Okay? What are you doing?
And didn't do anything.
Okay, what does it mean again when we say hilarious?
Hilarious.
Mm-hmm.
Hilarious.
I told you the definition already, Bomb. So if you can't answer, that means you're not listening.
In the this one or this one? Hilarious.
This one. Hilarious.
Oh.
I underlined it.
Hilarious means like there's like we are very I don't know.
See? Okay, so again, when we say hilarious, it means something is very funny. As I've said, like watching a comedy. It's hilarious. It's very funny. Okay? Now, what about predictable?
Predictable it means teachers.
Teachers? Why do you keep on saying teachers, Bomb? A teacher, Bomb, it's different to predictable.
So, um, like
Predictable.
Predictable.
Know this one? Okay, let me translate it in Vietnamese and I want you to give me your idea in English. Okay, that is what we'll do.
Có thể dự đoán được. Có thể dự đoán được.
Like we can know something is happening.
Okay, we know what is about to happen. Okay, so it is easy to guess. We know what to expect. Okay, that is predictable. Great job. Now, let us practice and tell me if the words are positive or negative. So when we say moving, a movie is moving, is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive. What about violent? Violent.
Negative.
Can you? Yes, it is negative. Romance.
Negative.
Why is it negative?
Positive.
Yes, it's positive because it's all about love, Bomb, not fighting. What about exciting?
Negative.
Why is it negative?
Because it is exciting.
No, it is positive, Bomb. Okay. So when we say exciting, it means you are happy. Okay, you are happy. Is it bad to be happy? Not right. That's why it is positive. Okay, it is. It means that you are interested into what is about to. Yes.
Negative.
What about educational?
Negative.
Why is educational negative? Okay, yes, it is positive, Bomb, because you will learn
Negative.
something new.
Negative.
What about boring?
Negative.
Hilarious.
Negative.
Why is it negative?
Because it is hammering because we can know something. Positive.
It's positive, Mom, because it will make you laugh. It will make you happy. That's why it is positive. Okay. Now, what about predictable?
Negative.
Okay, yes, it is negative. That is right. Thank you so much. So now let us have, okay, since you are fond of watching movies, can you think of any more words to describe movies aside from the ones that we have talked about?
Now, the the movie. No, I and B is watching a movie.
Are watching.
And it is deadly moving.
It's deadly bomb.
Silly.
Silly. Oh, it's a silly movie. Okay. What else? What other word can you use? Hi, B. Good morning, B.
Happy because I am very is laughing because the movie is so hammering.
The movie is, okay, you are laughing because the movie is funny or hilarious. Okay, yes, they are just the same words, Bomb. Now, I believe that's all. Let's go. You can now watch movie.
Like Harry Potter's boss. Harry Potter.
Oh, you watch Harry Potter. Okay, that's a nice one, Bob. Okay, thank you so much. And I'll see you again on Monday. Goodbye. Bomb, be safe there. Goodbye, B.
Barbie.